What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building. And if y'all saw my previous video, y'all know I just picked up this Springfield Prodigy. Alright. Nice gun. But my gun man done did it to me again. Alright. So we finna open up something new. Last episode opened up the Prodigy, and you know, this is a nice double stack 2011, and I like this gun. I got big plans for this gun. Stay tuned so you see what's going to happen to this gun. And also, I was taking questions on what gun I should put my SRO on. All right, and the first suggestion was the Prodigy. Then I heard Staccato. I heard CZ Shadow 2. I heard a lot of different guns, and nobody said nothing about a Kimber. So hold on. I went, picked up a Kimber. All right. This right here is the Kimber KDS9. They just came out with this, and when I saw it, I was like, oh, that looks real nice. I gotta have one. So here we go. We finna open up this Kimber KDS9. You guys be sure to tell me what you think about it. Let's go ahead and get a better look. Here's the box. Kimber also uses a cardboard box, just like the Prodigy, no hard case. So let's go ahead and open this box up. All right. Own Something Legendary is what it says up top, and they give you a little range bag. All right, let's see. Range bag, got the warranty paperwork, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see this. These things ain't cheap. They are not cheap. They are not cheap. Let's put that over there, and let's go in the bag. We have fiber optic rods. We have a lock. All right. Join the NRA. We have a sticker. And what else is in here? An Allen wrench. All right. We have a extra magazine here. And let's see. Nothing in there. And here is the weapon. All right, let's get it up out of this plastic. And ooh, here she goes. She is sexy. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Take that on out. Oh, look at that barrel. See that barrel on it? Might as well get a good look at that right quick. All right, so this is the DS9. Well, KDS9. Let's see. Can you see that on there? KDS9. KDS9. All right. So this is I guess, Kimber's take on a double stack 1911. And we have 15 rounds of 9mm. And this is a lot smaller feeling than the other ones. The other 2011, I guess you can't call this a 2011. This is more like a Rock Island. You know how the Rock Island does not have a removable grip module. It is just one solid piece. This is what this is as well. You do not have a removable grip module, and you do not have a grip safety. No safety back here. You do have safety on the side, and they do not have it ambidextrous. It's just safety on one side. They got it cut though, so I'm sure that the aftermarket will clear that little void that you have over here. But yeah, this is nice. This is very nice. See, take a look at that 9mm, and let's see how the trigger feels. All right, the trigger. Hold on, let me just pop the magazine out. Here is the pull and reset. Pull. This feels good, and it's lightweight. And check out that hammer. Has a pretty cool hammer on it as well. Pretty cool hammer on it as well. Now, this, I am sure the aftermarket for this probably doesn't really exist yet. So, you know, this is probably going to be one of those where it is going to be very hard to find anything for. And let me see, these grips do not grip. These are actually rather smooth grips on the side. This feels good in the front though. That actually does feel good, and you have that in the back here as well. And you can switch your magazine release. It is switchable, and as far as the safety goes, I like how it feels. Hold on. All right, there we go. It actually popped the safety. Yeah, I actually like how that feels. So I will say that this is smaller than I thought it would be. It is smaller than I thought it would be, but I guess that is it's probably because it's mainly made for concealed carry. You know, more of a concealed carry weapon. You have your fiber optic front sight, and you have your grooves on your sight, your glare reducing grooves on the sight in the rear. And again, that hammer looks pretty cool to me. I like that hammer. Do like that hammer. So this is actually the first Kimber that I've picked up. And you know, once I saw that they had it with 15 rounds, I was like, yeah, I'll go ahead and get it. Yeah, and then, you know, that price that you saw, that's what they go for, but that ain't what I paid for. But, you know, who cares? You know what I'm saying? I mean, my gun man, he tried to take care of me, I guess. You know what I mean? He always trying to get all my money. He does a damn good job of it too, because this gun is sexy. I like it. I like this gun. Now, hold on, let's compare it to the Prodigy. Prodigy has a little more size to it. The Prodigy has a rail. This does not, but this does have the cut for an optic up top, but no rail on the bottom. No rail on the bottom for a light. So you can put a red dot on it, but you can't put a light or a laser. And I am looking at how this is. I'm not sure what size anything is up here, so I'm not sure if it, and I don't even know if they make plates for this, but it does have the cut up top. And like I say, this is very, very, very lightweight. Hold on just a second. Here you have it. Let you check out the front. It does have a bull barrel on it, and it does feel good in the hand. It does feel good in the hand. And I will say, I don't think this is going to be for everyone, because I know a lot of people like to have a rail on the front. And I'm not sure what the aftermarket is like as far as getting a plate to put on here, or, doing anything with these grips. Like I say, these grips are not the best in my opinion, but I like the gun still. I like the gun still. And like I say, the barrel is pretty cool. You have, I guess that is to reduce weight, but they have the barrel cut out right there. And it is repeated on down to the chamber. You can see it there as well. And as far as the way it feels in the hand, it does feel real good in the hand, and it does look good. This is a nice looking weapon. And as far as magazines go, sure there's going to be a while before you can find magazines. Matter of fact, I actually saw when this came out, and I went looking for them and could not find them for sale anywhere. Couldn't find them for sale anywhere, but like I said, my gunman did it to me again. Now I got one. So, now we got two new ones. Two new ones. Which one should the SRO go on? I'm thinking the Prodigy, just due to the fact that the Prodigy is wider. Hold on. Let me show you guys. Prodigy seems to be wider, but maybe not. Maybe it's an optical illusion. So here, I'll let you see that. And it may be an optical illusion. It may not be wider, but there you have it. The KDS9. The KDS9. I guess the DS Kimber Double Stack 9 is what I'm thinking that stands for. And range video coming soon. Can't wait to shoot this one. I really like this one. So make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. Make sure you hit the notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video.